Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon, and tap on add picture or tap on this circle. So here we've got only device photos. Sometimes if you've got the Google backup turned on, you will have Google photos, which are the backed up photos, illustrations, and those device photos, which is divided into two options also. The camera, you can tap on it and your device will immediately open the camera app, so you can just take a photo of someone who's in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery. I will tap on the camera as I do not have any photos. So let me quickly take a photo of it. We've got it. So just tap on the stick option. And here in this step, we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle right here is responsible for it. So position the photo just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.